Hi there. Today we're going to study about what is the 3-hour diet. Now, the 3-hour diet was designed by someone named Jorge Cruz or George Cruz. He's the author of a book called 8 Minutes in the Morning and the 3-Hour Diet. One of the things that he says, or basically Cruz claims, is that the body goes into starvation mode, and when it's not fed often enough, that's the reason why it conserves calories and it burns muscles instead of fat for energy and then stores the fat. He encourages that we eat 5 times a day. Yes, you heard it, 5 times a day. So for some people, that is wonderful, including a small dessert. So, how does it work? How is it recommended? Well, this means that you have about meals of about 400 calories, snacks around 100 calories, and dessert about 50 calories. It will bring you to approximately 1,450 calories per day. Actually, not too bad. One of the things it says, or Jorge's system says, is that it stabilizes blood sugar and controls the appetite while increasing energy and alertness. With this program, he claims that the people can increase the baseline metabolic rate. And what else? It says that and jumpstart weight loss, losing 10 pounds in the first 2 weeks, then 2 pounds per week on each diet alone. On this diet alone, in other words. Now, what does the food include for this 3-hour diet? Well, it says that it's vegetables, fruits, whole grains, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, dairy, nuts and seeds, healthy oils. But then what are the foods that you need to avoid? Basically the trans fat. What are the pros? No food is really off the limit. There's no restriction on calorie intake, and it teaches you portion control because of the calorie amounts. What are the cons? Well, it doesn't teach you proper nutrition and habits. The frequent eating could lead to overindulgence, and no emphasis on exercise. Does not honor internal hunger cues, and its recommended calorie counts may be too low for some. But maybe this diet works for you. I don't know. So at least you have an idea of what the 3-hour diet is. Until next time.